What's up, everybody? This is Carolina Mike, your host for SharePoint in 60 Seconds, where you get the information you need right up front. And if you want more, stick around for a step-by-step walkthrough. Today is our special Christmas edition. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays to you and your family. And we're going to show you just how easy it is to deal with versions in SharePoint. So stick around.
I'm a SharePoint expert, play with data extra. Careful with my hands, cause I gotta use them forward. Yeah, I'm a big old nerd. I like maple syrup on my pancakes. I don't care what you heard.
I want to take a moment and say thank you, everyone. We're almost to 4,000 subscribers. It's because of you. Please, if you find an answer here today, like, share, subscribe. We appreciate you. Okay, let's get on with it. Let's get that timer rolling. All right, let's say you pop into this fire and like, you know what? Oh, snap, I had some text here that I really needed and now it's gone. What am I going to do? How do I get it back? You're going to go to File and you're going to go to Version History and you're going to be like, oh, snap, what's going on? It's taking too long, but it'll happen. You just got to be patient. And then we go and look at the current version and we see, oh, we deleted that stuff and then we closed it. Why would we do that? But that's okay. We click the other version. There's the text. Click Restore. And then it's restoring in progress, and then there's the thing, right? Okay, so now we can flip back. Well, it's Control Tab. Nevertheless, we got back to the other tab, and we click on it, we open it up, and we say, ba-bam, there's the text. You did it. You did it. Okay, so let's slow it down, talk about what's going on here. Since we're already in Word Online, let's go ahead and wrap up and talk about versioning or version history, how to access it and restore prior versions via Word Online. If you go to the File tab here and we go to Version History, okay, so we can bounce in here and we can see that we got some groupings of edits. So when you're in Word Online, it's going to group your edits according to the time that they were made. Just hit the caret to expand and you can see all those different versions. So this is the current version and you just keep on bouncing through until you see what you like, and once you find the option that you like that has the stuff that you want, then you can click on Restore. You can choose or not if you want to see the edits. It can be a little bit cleaner that way so you can kind of see what's going on. You can download a version if you dig it, you can save a copy if you dig it, or you can restore. Pretty straightforward there. Now let's take a look at what happens in the app. So we're going to go back to the document and we're going to bounce into the little drop down here that says editing. We're going to pop open in desktop. Yep, we're good, we're good, we're good. Say okay. And here we are in the full-blown application. Now we can go to File and we can go into Info, and from here we can go into Version History, and we got what we show edits in it. So very similar to the experience that you got over in the online version. All the different stuffs, tells you who modified it, and so it says this is the current version. Okay, here's a previous version. I can restore that if I want. Another previous version, another previous version. Just when you find what you like, just restore that puppy. Okay, so let me close this. Close that, and we'll continue here, and let's go back. We're going to wrap this up with a nice little bow here for you. See how I did that? Okay, and what we're going to do is show you two other ways to get to the version history. So you can select the file, and up here in the command bar, you're going to look for version history. There it is. Or you go to the triple dotty dots, that's a technical term, and you go down here to version history. It's the same 601, half dozen the other, half dozen the other, 601. You get the idea. So we're going to clickety-click clack on that, and we can see all those versions. This is a little bit cleaner. Like, this is the old school way. You can also see what happened with metadata. All right. So if I want to, if I want to just cut right to the chase, I can just click on the actual version. Okay. Just click on it. See, I can almost see that this one has less stuff, so this will be the one that's missing the text, okay? So if I just click on it, it's going to launch the app and then give me an option to go ahead and clickety-clack restore, okay? What else? What else we got going on here? If we hit the drop down, we can view. Now this view is not what you're not viewing the file. It's very misleading, okay? It's mainly viewing like the metadata, basically, okay? And you can delete this version, restore this version, go back to version history. Okay, close. All right, so let's do it again. So make sure that we hit all the spots. Okay, I want to see what happens when I go to this view one right here. Okay, see, because I'm on the current version, I'm pretty sure that was the current. Oh, come on. So that's the current version. So you can do, if you go to view on that current version, it'll let you get at the metadata. You can edit that stuff, you know, change it to number 3, save. Okay, super cool. Yay. Hit the version history again. Now we got that other version, right? Okay, change from 2 to 3. What else we got? Let's say we hit the drop down. We already did view. You can restore. That just instantly restores it. Okay, or we could delete this version. You can also delete all versions, so that only version you'll have will be your current version. All right, there you go. Everything you need to know about switching to versions and viewing those past versions and all that happy jazz. Hopefully you found something you like. Hopefully you got your question answered. If you did get your question answered, please take a moment, like, share, subscribe. We appreciate you. We're almost to 4,000. We can make it. With that, do the very best you can with what you got. Remember, SharePoint rocks, and so do you. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays, y'all. See you next time.
I'm a SharePoint expert, play with data extra. Careful with my hands, cause I